You don't need more discipline. You need a better game. Yeah. It's time to gamify your life. So hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Spivey J. I thank you so much for being here today. All right, if you're new here on my channel, we talk about mindset mastery, transformation, and how we're going to get more fulfillment out of this life. So if you're interested, what you waiting for? Click the subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. Most of y'all are setting goals, relying on motivation, falling off, and then starting again on Monday. Oops, it's the end of March. I already fell off my New Year's resolution. I'll wait till the next Monday. And the next Monday comes and you're still in the same position. You're still on the same level that you were last Monday and all the Mondays since the beginning of the year. When you said and committed to changing your life, mastering your mind, and getting more fulfillment out of your life. That is not a discipline problem, ma'am. That's a design problem. That's a design problem. You got to think about it like this. Games are designed to keep you playing. Games are addictive for a reason. The reason, if you're like my age group, millennial, we've been on the game systems our whole life, and they just keep making them more and more addictive to where people have like gamer setups. It's a whole thing. No, nothing wrong with that. But now let's use what has been created, what programs have programmed us to be addicted to in our everyday quests, in our everyday life. That's clear goals, visible progress, and a reward system that excites you along the entire journey of the game. So instead of trying harder, I started building my life like that. I found some gamify my life templates for Notion. If you're not familiar with Notion, it's a great note-taking app, project management tool, note-taking tool. Like it literally will get your life together if you're interested in Notion. Wait, maybe I have a little linky. I'm not sponsored or nothing, but maybe I just practice saying that. Anyways, and so I found some templates on Notion that will basically that has created the gamify my life, and of course you just add your own goals to it. So if you're interested, check that out. But basically that's exactly what I did. I gave myself a main quest and then some side quests, because let's be real, like let's make this more fun. Let's inject joy into the journey of you transforming your life and building a rich life on purpose, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. So as the guide here, I want to tell you that's exactly what I did, and that's what I'm doing. And I'm ready to have some fun. I'm ready to get some rewards. I'm ready to level up in every way. I'm ready to unlock new levels that I haven't even seen of myself before. So I might as well be the programmer, right? That's what I want for you. I want you to be the programmer of your gamified life, the one that you're ready to build, the one that you are an active participant in the role of doing the game, playing the game, and creating it at the same time. This is how we merge and get more. This is how we merge fun with the things that we are responsible for. Because let's not kid you, kids are having fun. Why should we not have fun? So really quickly, my main quest right now, okay, so maybe I have a few main quests. My main quest right now is I've committed to putting out daily long form YouTube videos. And I started last year habit stacking in my health and wellness portion of my life. And now I've taken those same habits that I've stacked and they've benefited me in other areas. So for me, on my Notion template that I created, well, I didn't create it, but that I'm filling in the blanks that someone else created. Shout out to all the creators too. Like there's so much space for all of us to express ourselves outwardly, to make money from it, or to just help other people to build a skill set. Nonetheless, there's room for all to win. But yeah, so just filling in my main quest. That's my main quest of what I'm focused on right now. But I also have some side quests. I am still currently on my weight loss journey. I am so I just started a specific eating protocol that I'll share more when I have the actual results, good ones or real ones. I am also learning Mandarin Chinese, and my goal is to pass. I will pass the HSK1 Mandarin Chinese fluency exam by my birthday. And then I have another side quest, which is to have some more business goals completed, some more specific goals completed. So these are my side quests. My main quest and my side quests are all important. Oh my God, what's that game? Is it Sonic? When you don't. No, is that Mario? And then when you go down, okay, so Mario's main quest is like to get the coins and not get hit and da 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 da. But then sometimes Mario goes down like a little pipe, and then he's down there like getting more coins. So many games have that same concept. So that's your main quest, is to finish the game. But then you have side quests where you can get more coins, where they have access to more power ups. Okay, so if you have your main quest and then your side quest complemented in some type of way, e.g., they don't have to be related, but they can expand you. So me staying on my weight loss journey, getting more fit, fitness impacts every area of your life. You can try to run from it, you can try to hide from it, but without a strong body, you won't have much, you won't have much capacity to do other things. So improving my wellness, improving my health has truly impacted my mental in so many positive ways. So from losing 50 pounds last year and then going this year for better results, I cannot even begin to express the amount of positive benefits getting my wellness done has benefited me and really energized me to be able to do my main quest. So that's an example of a side quest that, even though my wellness journey and then also my main quest of consistently posting long form videos on YouTube daily aren't technically exclusive to one another, they are still impactful to one another, and both push the other up, because I'm over here telling y'all like I lost 50 pounds. It's time to, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's trying to get to new levels. Okay, and then my other side quest to be fluent in Mandarin Chinese, that's a personal goal of mine. For one, I used to live there and I had a whole life there. And two, it's a personal goal because it's something that I know I can achieve. And I don't subscribe to the older you get, the harder it is to learn language. I don't subscribe to that. I'm going to do it. I'm doing it. And so it's just like a personal goal to be a polyglot. So that's the second language. Technically, it's the third language I'm learning. Of course, English. Technically, fourth. English, American Sign Language, Spanish and Mandarin. I'm coming for both of y'all next because I lived in Spain and I lived in China. Come on now, when people ask you that, they start speaking their language and I be like, oh, Timbudong or Kip or Ke, no Ke. So yeah, anyways, those are a side quest that's going to expand me, keep me focused, and then of course power up my main quest. I have something to talk about on my videos. I have something to help guide other people to do. So that's another example of how my side quest will enhance my main quest. And then the third one, where I have personal business goals, those goals are product development, financial, expanding myself and getting more comfortable being visible in person. So those two will will enhance the other goals. So everything is just working in this nice cohesive. It's like I'm baking a nice lemon cake with chocolate icing made specifically for me for my upcoming birthday. Okay, really my birthday not to August, but I'm just putting it out there. Anybody like a baker? Like, that's my favorite cake. And they all work together synergistically. But at the same time, I'm gamifying it. So when I reach different goals in steps, I'm getting rewards. I'm unlocking new levels. I'm getting rewards. I'm rewarding myself with non-food, unless I want to try a new restaurant, but I'm rewarding myself with things that will make me happy. So it's kind of selfish because it's all to make me a happier person. It's all to make me a better person, a better leader, a better mother. All of the different roles that I serve, that I'm honored to serve. And so why not make it fun? That's what I want you to do. I want you to make it fun. You don't have a discipline problem. You have a design problem. Instead of designing and changing everything about you to fit outwardly, let's let the thing that we want mold itself to us in the things that we like. So that's if you like games. I like games, computer games, game systems, whatnot. And I've kind of taken games out of my life in that way, in a certain period of like my 20s, because everybody was like, you want to be all serious and stuff. But when being a teacher overseas, I used to play Uno with some students I used to tutor, and their parents didn't like that I used to win. But if you're like, we don't play about Uno like that, and guess what? They started beating me because I didn't cut them slack. And then now as a homeschool mom, I play games with our kids because like it's just fun. And so it just brings about this childlike essence that everyone should approach things with. And this is a realization that I had. And this is something that I wanted to share with you because I know it will be beneficial. I know you will truly enjoy gamifying all of these things that I'm talking about. So If you're interested in leveling up your life and starting before you're ready, I want you to click the link in the description right now. I have created the Start Before You're Ready challenge. It's a 7-day challenge where you prioritize one thing in one area of your life so that you can show yourself that you can do it and get progress. And once you reach the end of those 7 days, I guarantee you're going to want to continue. So make it a game, get it done. Let's have visible progress. Let's reward ourselves. Let's enjoy the journey. If you're interested in building a rich life on purpose, mentally, physically, spiritually, or financially, please make sure that you subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. All right, y'all, have a wonderful day. I have kind of a second part to this video. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I know I'm recording these videos every day, but like, I don't have. I ain't about to change my clothes, so you about to see the same in the next video. So if you care, you care. I'm not a fashionista. I never claimed to be. I just do me. All right. No ash. All right. You can be anything as well except ashy and dehydrated. All right. Have a wonderful day. Peace. You're beautiful. I hope you know that. I hope you know that. Yeah, I really like this spot. Okay. Oh, she cute. She cute. Okay.